Okay, again, good morning. We'll talk about differential equations. Now, our certain topic will be formation differential equations, the family of curves, and homogeneous equations, differential equations. Now, let's go with our discussion. Okay, formation of differential equations. Now, for objectives, after completing this topic, you will be able to obtain the differential equation by eliminating constants. Ano ba yung constants na yun? Di ba yun yung mga arbitrary constants na inilalagay natin pagdating ng differential equations natin? Again, class, I will ask you, ano ba ang tawag dun sa equation na kung saan, or solution, na kung saan meron tayong arbitrary constant? Is that particular or general? Anyone from the class? Particular ba siya or general? Pinag-usapan natin nakarang week. Natawagin ko si Miss Rovira. Miss Rovira, general or particular? Yung merong arbitrary constant. Yan natin kung ano sinagot niya. Sabi dito, sir, brown out. General po. Tama sila. General. General. Now, let's talk about elimination of arbitrary constant.
General, sir.
Thank you. Also, yung mga may power, may mga power interruption. Please mute your microphone muna. Please mute your microphone. Okay. So, yung may mga power interruption, don't worry kasi ito is recorded. Okay, I will upload this to YouTube. Okay. Now, let's go back by differentiation and combination. One of the ways differential equations are obtained is the elimination of arbitrary constants. Ano bang ginagawa natin? Tinatanggal natin sa isang general solution yung ating mga arbitrary constant para makuha natin yung differential equation niya. Okay, tatanggalin natin yung common kasi diyang ginagamit natin as constant is C. But, different constant, it is notated. Okay? May iba't ibang notations yan. Now, the general method naman kasi to eliminate arbitrary constant is to differentiate muna yung equation. Okay? Kaya kailangan, ang requirement mo dito is magaling ka mag-differentiate. Now, the n arbitrary constants may then be eliminated from the n equations, n plus 1 equations. Okay? The result will be differential equations of order n. Depende yan kung ilang beses ka mag-differentiate. Now, to eliminate the arbitrary constants from the given equation, gagamitin natin si combination. Okay? Meron tayo ditong example. There is no better way to put your discussion, lalo na sa paggamit ng ating mga examples. Now, look at this example. Okay? So, this is your example. Y equal to C1 or arbitrary constant 1 times cosine 3x plus sine 2x C2 sine 3x. Now, may napapansin ba kayo dyan? It is in general form. Okay? If it is in general form, ang gagawin mo is to differentiate para makuha mo yung kanyang differential equation. Okay? Let us see. Kung hindi mo nakikita ito. Now, dito tayo. Go to the side of your screen. Okay? Nandito si y. Ito yung equation mo. Y equal to C1 cosine 3x plus C2 sine 3x. Now, in order for you to eliminate the following constants, all you have to do is to differentiate. Okay? Now, i-differentiate natin siya. Okay? Alam niyo naman yung mga power rule, di ba? Alam niyo din yung mga differential ng mga trigonometric functions. Now, pag kinuha mo yung differential of both sides, makukuha mo si y prime. Okay? And then, kunin natin ito, yung differentiation nitong dalawa. So, this is This is U, V, U, and V. Okay? Ngayon, pag product rule, that is UDV, BDU. Now we can simplify. Okay. You can have ito muna. Since constant ito, ibig sabihin, yung magiging BDU is equal to 0 na. So, we can simplify. Okay? Now, ang kukunan na lang natin dito is UDV. Okay? The UDV. Now, cosine 3x, ano ba ang kanyang differential or differentiation? That is negative sine x. Okay? So, negative sine x. Pero, meron ka pang v, UDV. Okay? C1 sine 3x. Sine 3x. And then, kukunin mo pa rin yung differential itong loob, 3. Okay? Plus, same with this one. Ano ba ang differentiation ng sine x? That is cosine x. So, that is, kunin uli natin si C2, cosine 3x times 3. Okay? Now, pwede ba nating simplify? Pwede, kahit din natin simplify, i-denote na lang natin to as y prime, okay? And then, nandyan pa rin ang arbitrary constant. So, ibig sabihin, pwede pa natin siyang i-differential ulit. Differentiate ulit natin siya na isa pang beses. Okay? So, pag dinifferentiate natin siya, ganun pa rin. Si U, si V. Si U, si V. Now, you can copy ito. Ano ba ang differential ng sine x? That is cosine. So, negative. 3 times 3 mo ulit. Kasi sine 3x, kunin mo ulit, magkakaroon ka ulit ng 3. Okay? So, that is 9 C1 cosine 3x. So, cosine, that is minus 3. Kunin mo ulit ito, negative sine x times 3 mo ulit. 9 C2 sine 3x. Okay. So, mahaba talaga ang pag-solve nito, okay? Talagang kailangan mo ng tiyaga dito, so dapat medyo may hindi ka malilituhing uri ng tao. Now, we can factor out yung negative 9 C1 cosine 3x minus or plus C2 sine 3x. Now, may napapansin ba kayo? Di ba itong nasa loob niya is equal to dito? Yun ang magiging combination natin. Tignan nyo ha. Paano natin magiging combination? Okay? As you can see, yung value ni y, itong value ni y na ito is equal to the value na nasa parenthesis. So, doon natin gagawin yung combination. Okay? Equal to 9. Hanggang sa may maging kamukha siya, yun ang ibig sabihin nitong differentiation and combination. I-differentiate mo hanggang sa pwede mo na siyang gamitin as substitution value pagdating ng iyong differential equation. Ganun ang combination. There are three ways to solve it. Number 1, the best way is combination. Number 2, meron dyan determinant. Number 3, ituturo ko susunod dito. Okay? So, nakuha na natin yung value na to. Di ba? This is y. So, 9y. Okay. Since nawala na yung arbitrary constants, therefore, we can say, yung general solution will have a differential equation of y plus 9y, y subprime, y to the second prime plus 9y equal to 0. Therefore, ito yung ating differential equation from the general equation ng y equal to C1 cosine 3x plus C2 sine 3x. Okay? Naintindihan nyo ba? It is in second order or degree. Okay? Dalawang beses ka nag-differential, so nasa second. Okay? Ganun lang kadali yung ating combination. Now, another example sa combination. Okay? Huwag niyo pansinin to kasi medyo malilito kayo dito pag ganito ginawa nyo. So, number 2. For number 2, meron tayong y equal to x plus c1 e to the x plus c2e negative 2x. May magtatanong sa inyo, Sir, ano bang pinagkaiba ni C2 at C1? They are different. Okay? Si C2, ibig sabihin yan, is not equal to C1. Magkaiba silang constant. Okay? Any integer, any counting integer. Hindi natin alam ang value nila, but dinenote lang sila as constants. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dito, kunin na agad natin yung differential. Okay, differentiate na agad natin siya. So, y prime will be equal to, anong differentiation nito? That is, isa lang naman ang kanyang power. So, power rule magiging 0. Any number that is raised to 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Plus, ito kasi, UDV na naman. UV. Kukunin natin parati dito is UDV. Kasi kapag nag-VDU ka, constant na ito, 0 na yon. Okay? So, anong differentiation niya? Y prime is, anong differential nitong e to the x? O di, e to the x pa rin, tapos kunin mo yung differential nitong x. So, 1. O di, C1 pa rin, e to the x. Yan. And then, ganun din naman yung C2. Bababa mo lang si 2x kasi ang differential nitong 2x is negative 2. C2 e to the 2x. Now, anong gagawin natin dyan? I-simplify natin. Y prime equal to 1 plus C1 e to the x minus 2. Sir, ba't hindi ko ginawang constant itong 2? Sinama ko dito. Kasi galing siya dito and itong constant na to, hindi yan kasama si negative 2. Kailangan ihiwalay mo pa rin. Hindi mo siya isasama dito. Okay? C2 e to the negative 2x. So, this is your equation 1. Now, kukunin uli natin yung second differential niya. Okay? Y to the second prime. Ang differential nito, any number that is raised to, or any constant that is raised to 0, that is 0. And then, makukuha natin to. Yung C1, e raised to x. Madali parati ito kapag naka-Eulers. Okay? So, this will be negative 2 times negative 2. This is positive. Okay? For C2 e to the negative 2x. Now, you have two equations na. Sir, medyo parang, parang mahirap. Paano gagawin mo dyan? Okay? Kapag elimination, ang gagawin mo, first na gagawin mo ng elimination, ito, titignan mo muna yung dalawang naunang equation. Okay? Yung original and then yung first differential. Kung meron kang ma-obtain na another equation. Okay? Ngayon, pag may na-eliminate ka na sa kanila, then kapag nakuha mo na yung mga constant mo or natanggal mo na yung mga constant mo, then we can say, pwede na natin silang pag-ibahin. Pero dito, mas maganda kasi, tignan muna natin yung una equation, okay? Ano ba yung pwede natin gawin dito? So, ang sabi dito, isa-subtract natin si equation 1 to equation 2. Okay? Equation 1 natin, ito na lang, sundin natin to. Lasso. Yan. So, lagay natin, this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3, para hindi kayo nalilito. Now, dun sa equation 1 mo, igagawin mo is, isa-subtract mo lang tong si equation 2 to equation 1. Excuse. So, paanong gagawin mo dyan? Ay, i-line them up. So, y1, y1, y equal to x plus c1 e to x plus c2 e to the negative 2x. And then, i-line mo dito si y prime. Kunin mo to. 1 plus c1 e to the x plus c2 e to the negative 2x. Ang kailangan mo sa differential equation, ma'am, sir, is tiyaga. Okay? Wala kang nilaga kung wala kang tiyaga pagdating sa differential equations. Okay. You subtract. So, this will be yung final natin, y minus y prime equal to x minus 1. Cancel to. Okay? Negative to. May negative to dito. I-brain natin to. This is, kasi ito yan eh, negative. Negative 2c 2e negative 2x. Now we simplify. X minus 1 plus, excuse, plus 3c2 e raised to negative 2x. Meron ka na form na bago equation. Let us check kung tama ba yung naging computation ko. Okay, this is example 2. Okay, ganun nga yung naging computation ko. Now, tignan mo ulit. Okay, tapos ka na mag-subtract dito kay 1 and 2. Isusubtract mo naman yung dalawa magkasunod. Okay, itong dalawa. Okay. So, from equation, sabi dito, from equation 3. Equation 3, that is y prime, y to the second prime. So, ang y prime natin is 1 plus c1 e to the x plus c2 minus 2 c2 e raised to the x, negative 2x. And then yung y to the second prime mo is c1 e to the x plus 4, iline na lang natin, c1 e to the x plus 4 c2 e to the negative 2x. Okay. Subtract ulit natin sila. Okay? Okay. Y prime minus y to the second prime. Subtract natin equal to 1. And then cancel to. Magiging negative, negative. So, negative 6 c2 e to the negative 2x. Naka-form ka na naman ng isa pang equation. Okay? Ayun, nakuha na natin. Meron tayong equation naging 4 and then naging 5. Now, ang gagawin natin dito para maging kamukha sila at para ma-eliminate natin, i-add natin, okay. Meron kang 4, wag mo nang gagalawin si 1, 2, and 3 kasi ginamit mo na sila kay 4 and 5. Now, ang gagawin mo dito, you line them up. So, y prime, negative y prime, plus y equal to 1 plus 3 c2 e to the negative 2x. May kulang ka pa. plus x. Okay, anong gagawin mo dyan? You multiply this by 2. Okay? Para ma-cancel mo si what? Para ma-cancel mo si, hindi. Kailangan i-multiply mo sila ng 2. Tama ba? Check natin. Multiply equation 4 by 2. Tama, di ba? So, this will be, kapag inad natin sila, 2, ito naging 2, i-multiply mo ng 2, y prime minus 2y prime, this is negative y prime. Tapos, meron kang negative y to the double prime minus 2y equal to, ito, hindi pala minus. So, that is y prime, negative y prime plus 2y equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. And then, you will cancel kasi ito magiging 6 na to kapag minultiply mo ng 2. Okay. Plus 2x. Now, you'll have this equation. Now, the differential equation, ilipat natin both sides. Y to the double prime minus r plus y prime minus 2y, okay, plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Now, you have the differential equation. Tignan nga natin kung tama siya. Akala mo naman, tama pala. Yun. Ba't may mali dito? 3. X, 1. Ako nagkamali. Okay. 2x, e to the 2x, 2y, 2. Tama naman. X, 2, 1. 1C, 6C2. Negative 1. Okay, negative 1 nga. Let me see. Magiging negative 1 kapag ginawa natin dito. Okay, not. Pagbaba, okay. Magiging negative 1. Negative 1 yun dito. So yun naging negative 1. Let's check. Ayan, negative 1. Equation 2, 3. Negative 1. Yan yung magiging iyong equation 5. So this is negative 1. Tapos, will be positive, tama. So, this will be negative. This is positive. Negative dito. Okay. Okay, this will be laso ko. Okay. 3. Okay. 1. Okay. Okay, 1. Ay, tignan natin kung tama na. Okay. Negative 2y, y to the prime. Okay, negative 2y dapat yan, tama. Tapos may x. Pag nilipat mo sa kabila, magiging positive. Negative kapag kabila. Positive, negative to. Okay. Sure. Negative siya dapat. Yun, okay na. So, example number 3. Okay, let us go to number 3. Let me just erase itong nandito. Proceed to number 3. Dapat mas marami kayo, example para mas naintindihan nyo. Then for number 3, ito yung ating differential equation. Okay? Number 3, you have a general solution na y equal to c1 e to the negative x plus 2 c2 e to the 2x minus 3 c3 e to the negative 3x. Mahaba-haba to, ha? So you'll have 2. Kunin mo muna yung differential niya. First differentiation, y prime. UDV, VDU, ganun pa rin. So you'll arrive with, kunin natin tong C1. This will be y prime negative C1 e to the negative x. So, ito, magiging ganun pa rin. Kasi bababa mo ito, 2e to the 2x. Okay? Plus 2. Parang UDV, VDU pa rin. Kunin mo ito, VDU, ganun pa rin. So, this will be 2 C2 e to the 2x minus itong 3 as is pa rin. 3 C3 e to the negative 3x. Kasi bababa mo lang yung 3 dito. Hindi, mali pala ako ng kinopya. Okay, this is palas taas. Okay, wala pa yan. Kinopya ko is indifferential na. Okay? Yan. Yung 2x, ibaba mo dito, negative 3. Naka-plus to eh. Ibababa mo dito. Ayan, kaya naging ganito. So, we have equation 1, equation 2. Don't forget to have this, yung mga ganito notation para hindi kayo nalilito. Now, pwede natin tong i-add para magkaroon tayo another equation. Kasi titignan nyo, pwede dito meron tayong ma-eliminate. May eliminate natin tong bandang to. Okay? When we add this one, okay? Eliminated na to kasi 0 ang result niyan. So, y plus y prime equal to, ito, add natin, 3 c2 e to the 2x. Add uli natin to, so negative 2 c3 e to the negative 3x. Okay. Nag-result tayo sa ganitong equation. Now, paano natin i-extract to? Okay? Pwede ulit natin silang i-differentiate. Okay? Makukuha natin tong equation na ito. I-differential ko ulit siya hanggang sa matanggal na natin tong equation na to, yung C. Okay? I-differential ko ulit. So, y prime plus y double prime. Yung 2x, ibaba ko na dito. 2 times 3. Kasi C2, VDU, UDB pa rin yan. So, 6 C2 e to the 2x. Yung 3, negative 2. So, that is positive 6. C3 e to the negative 3x. Okay, naka-form na naman tayo ng another equation, pero pwede pa natin siya simplify. So, y to the double prime plus y prime 6 C2 e to the 2x plus C3 e to the negative 3x. Tignan nyo unti-unti nang nawawala or nailalabas natin C e to the 3x. Okay? 6, pwede natin tong i-substitute. Okay, ano ba yung value niyan? Tignan nyo dito sa una. Di ba pwede natin tong ilabas? Magiging ganito. Tignan nyo C2 e to the 2x plus C3 e to the negative 3x equal to y minus C1 e to the x. Tama ba? Ayan yun, no? So, ito is equal to y minus C1 e to the x. Ganyan ang combination. Para ka lang nag-substitute na nag-substitute. Y to the double prime plus y prime equal to 6y minus 6c1 e to the x. Now, meron pa rin tayong c. In order for us to cancel this one, kailangan ulit nating mag-differentiate pa. Okay? So, we will differentiate this again. Another one. Okay? So, y to the third prime plus y to the second prime. Ito, u and v naman to. Okay? Kapag kinuha mo yung v du, cancel pa rin. So, this will be equal to 6y prime. Minus, u dv v du pa rin naman. Okay? Wait. May napansin ako. Negative pala yun. Negative ito. Yan. Negative ito. Yan. Negative ito. So, negative times negative. So, this will be positive. 6c1 e to the negative x. Okay? You have another equation. So, this is equation 4. Okay? Meron tayo equation 3. Yes, we have equation 3. Pwede na ba natin siyang i-add para may makancel? Yes, pwede nating i-add. Add natin sila. Pag in-add natin, tignan nyo, makakancel to. Yan. So, this will be y to the third prime plus y to the second prime plus y to the second prime, 2y double prime plus y prime. Tapos dito, 6. Magiging negative. I-add mo na lang. So, this will be, nandito sa kabila, minus 5y prime. Tapos yung 6, cancel. 6y. Okay, ilipat mo sa kabila, magiging negative na yun. 6y. Equal to 0. Therefore, the differential equation of your general equation na given is y to the third prime plus 2y to the second prime minus 5y prime minus 6y equal to 0. Okay ba? So, you have 3 samples. Okay? Now, I hope you can solve for practice number 4. Gusto ko yung long method, ha? And number 5. And number 6. Okay? You practice 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 5, and 2, 6. Now, let's go with isolation of constants. Paano natin i-isolate yung constants? In this method, at each step, before differentiation, isolate one of the arbitrary constants, free from any variable, so that it will disappear from differentiation. Ito, mas magandang ipaliwanag siya using problems. Now, dito, meron tayong given example. So, this is x multiplied to sin y minus xy squared equal to c. Ito yung ating constant, c. Ngayon, ang solution daw dito is differentiation. Once we'll eliminate the constant. Ganitong paraan, eliminate muna natin yung constant. Paano, sir? Okay? Paano natin i-eliminate yung constant? E di, i-differentiate mo mismong yun. So, y, x sin y minus xy squared equal to c. Anong gagawin kong differentiation dito? Implicit or explicit? Anyone from the group? Pakisabi na lang sa akin ng audio. Anong differentiation ang gagawin ko dyan? Implicit or explicit? Hello? So, implicit. Thank you, Legaspi. Sabi niya, implicit, sir. Kasi nga, hindi natin maihiwalay pa. Okay? So, i-differentiate na natin siya. Okay? So, once we differentiate, ito u, v, ito u. Now, x, kunin natin yung u, dv, x, tapos yung differentiation nitong sin y, this will be cosine y, Siyempre, i-differentiate mo pa rin yung nasa loob, si y. O di meron kang y prime plus, ito, v du. Okay? Ano yung differential ni x? That is 1. So, sin y. Minus, okay, u dv. So, that will be x dv is 2y. Bababa mo yung 2 and then y prime times 2y y prime. Okay? And then, v du. So, that is, magiging 1 na lang to. dy squared pa rin minus y squared. Equal to, anong differentiation ng constant? That is 0. Natanggal na ba natin si c? Yes, natanggal na natin, sir. So, x cosine y times y prime plus sin y minus 2xy y prime minus y squared. Okay. Pwede natin pagsamahin yung may y prime and then we can extract y prime by factoring out. Okay, y prime will be equal to x cosine y minus 2xy plus y squared sin y. Minus y squared plus sin y equal to 0. Ito na yun. Okay ba? Madali ba? Mag-elimination, isolation of constants. Okay, okay ba yon? Yes, okay. So, that is for example 2.8. Okay, for example 2.8, given ka ng curve equation. Okay, you're given a curve equation in the form ng a x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, anong gagawin mo dyan? Simple, i-differentiate mo na. 1, y prime equal to, ito yung u, v, v du na lang ang matitira kasi pag u dv, or u dv na lang matitira kasi pag v du, constant naman yung a, okay? So, u dv, so 2ax plus bx. So, u and v, v du, makakancel pa rin, u dv. So, this will be b plus 0 kasi constant to. So, differential niya is 0 na. And then, i-second differentiation mo pa rin. Okay? 2a. So, u, v. Okay? Ito na lang, constant na lang. So, this will be 0 na. v du, hindi na pwede. u dv. So, this will be 2a. Okay? May constant pa rin, mga kaibigan. So, you have to third differential pa rin. Okay? Buong constant na yan, so you'll have to zero it out. Okay? The answer is y to the third prime equal to 0. Tatlong beses ka nag-differentiate. Okay? Another example, skip natin tong pwede ba? Skip na lang natin itong 2.9. Hindi. Pwede nating solve yan. Let me lasso this out. So, ito yung pangalawang part, yung isolation of constants. Ang gagawin mo lang dyan, i-differentiate mo na i-differentiate. Katulad din ng 1, pero mas madali kasi sa akin yung 1 kahit mahaba. Okay? Dito kasi, merong forms na hindi kayo basta-basta may ma-isolate. Okay? Yung kagandahan sa 1, kapag may naging kamukha siya, pwede mo siyang i-substitute ng i-substitute. Okay? Para hindi ka malito. Ito kasi, a bit magulo, nakakalito. So, mostly ang ginagamit ko, yung example ng substitution or combination. Okay, let's go here. Meron ka the equation na y equal to a x squared plus b e x. So, meron kang constants na a and b. Okay, how will you do it? Ngayon, mas madali kasi dito, i-divide this by e to the x. Okay? So, ma-isolate na natin yung isa. So, y over e to the x equal to a x squared over e to the x plus b. Now, yung other form nito is y e raised to negative x equal to ax squared multiplied by e negative x plus b. Kunin natin yung differentiation niya. So, this will be u, v, u, v. So, you'll have differential equation. So, v du, u dv, u dv. So, this will be y e to the negative x multiplied by negative 1. Tapos, u dv, v du naman. So, this will be plus v du. Okay? V du. So, this will be y prime e to the negative x equal to u dv, v du. So, cancel na agad to, magiging 0. Equal to negative, kasi negative 1, negative ax squared plus v du. So, this will be a e to the negative x plus u dv. u dv. Ang ginawa ko pala dito is u dv tapos v du. Ano ba yung du ito? Differential ng loob. v e to the negative x tapos du will be 2a x squared. Yan. And then, you will simplify. Cancel out na natin both sides yung e to the x. Pwede na nating i-divide. E to the negative x. Cancel na yan. So, y prime minus y. Y prime minus y equal to, na-cancel na. So, negative ax squared plus 2ax. 2ax. Ito mali ito Okay. Kasi dinifferentiate mo na, ibinaba mo na to yung 2. Dito. Ito yung mali niya. Ay, hindi niya ibinaba to. Ay, ito pala, binaba niya. Ayan, binaba niya. Okay, and then pwede nating i-factor out si a. Okay? So, y prime minus y, factoring out a. And then, we'll arrive with 2x minus x squared. Now, pwede pa ba nating matanggal si a? Yes. Pwede nating i-factor out. So, this will be a equal to y prime minus y over 2x minus x squared. Ngayon, naka-form ka dito ng u and v. So, ang gagamitin mo dito is v du minus u dv over v squared. Okay? Quotient rule. Okay? So, kapag dinifferentiate mo to, this will be 0 equal to v du. Ano ba yung v mo dito? v, so 2x minus x squared. Excuse. Tapos, y to the second prime minus y prime minus u dv. y prime minus y. Ano ba yung differential ni v? Okay. Let us go to the differential ni v. So, 2x 2 minus 2x. Ito, kapag v squared, i-multiply mo na lang to dito kay 0. So, magiging 0 na rin yung baba para hindi na humaba. So, 0 will be equal to, i-multiply na natin to, expand natin, 2x, y double prime, okay, y double prime, and then 2x minus 2x y prime. Ito, multiply ko ulit, minus y to the double prime, x squared, and then x squared, so plus x squared y prime, minus na lang natin, okay? So, 2y prime minus 2x y prime, and then minus ulit, negative 2y, positive 2xy. Okay, may simplify pa ba tayo dyan? So, pag naging positive to, makakancel to. Yes, cancel siya. Tapos, meron pa ba? Wala na, yun na lang. Mahaba talaga equation niya. Isa lang na-cancel. So, this will be 2x minus x squared y to the double prime. Tignan natin kung tatama yung equation natin. Ayan o. Tama ako. Okay? So, pwede pa natin i-simplify si y prime, x squared plus 2. Okay? Plus x squared plus 2. X squared minus 2 y prime. Let us check kung tama. Yun o. Okay. Meron tayong natira na 2. Si xy. Ilabas na natin si y. I-divide natin both sides by 2. 2. This will be, yun o, 2. Plus 2. 1 minus x y equal to 0. Ayan. Ito yung ating final answer. Okay, nagets ba natin? So, we can have a 5-minute break. Assume. Okay. So, this is the last technique na pwede natin gamitin sa formation ng differential equation natin. Elimination by determinants. Now, alam nyo dapat yung laws of determinant. Okay? Yung mga kapag yung lahat dito magkakamukha, dito, yung mga cofactors. Okay? Ito yung third method of eliminating arbitrary constants. Okay? In order for a system of n plus 1 linear equations, in n unknowns to be consistent, the determinant formed from the coefficients of the unknowns and the terms free of the unknowns must vanish. Kailangan mawala sila. The determinant formed is called the eliminant. Okay? Eliminant, yung tagatanggal of the arbitrary constants. Now, meron tayong example na linear equation. Okay, kanina. Curve yan. Curve equation. Okay? Now, we differentiate the equation twice. Kanina, di ba? Ganun ginawa natin. Now, nung nag-differentiate tayo ng dalawang beses, to form the determinant whose elements are the coefficients of arbitrary constants A and B, and the terms y to the second prime to the third prime, which are free of arbitrary constants. Now, ganito yung gagawin natin, okay? Ang nangyari, ang ginawa nyo, si y prime, kukunin natin yung mga sa equation na yon. Okay? Tignan nyo. Dito siya. Okay? Asan si y prime? Kunin mo sa equation na yan yung walang arbitrary constant. Okay? Doon sa equation. And then, you line them up. Okay? Nilinya mo, inequate mo to 0. Which are free. Tignan mo which are free. Dito, sa iyong example, nasaan ba tayo? Ayun. Sa example mo, ano ba yung walang arbitrary constant? Diba? Sa una, meron tayong y e to the x. Ayun, no? Yung y e to the x. Okay? Y e to the x. Tapos yung x squared. Mawawala yan. Okay? Nung una, Nung una. And then yung y prime, tignan nyo dito ulit. Kinuha mo yung sa y prime, ano ba yung wala dyang arbitrary constants? Tandaan nyo, form the determinant whose elements are the coefficients of arbitrary constants A and B. Coefficients of the arbitrary constants. Okay? Ano ba yung coefficient na arbitrary constant? So, this will be arbitrary constant AB. AB. Meron tayo sa A na x squared. Meron tayong EX. And then, meron tayong EXY. Okay? Tignan nyo naman dito sa y prime. 2x tsaka EX. Saan nagmula yun, sir? Y prime. Si A, EX. Wala naman. Y, meron kang y prime, meron kang x squared. 2x na lang yan. Naging 2x, oh. Ayan, si 2x. Yung arbitrary constant ni A, 2x. Wala ka naman dyang another one. So, ang ginawa dito is, ano ba yun? Is, EX na lang. Lahat sila EX. Okay? Sa dulo. Y to the second prime. Go back. Asan yung y to the second prime mo? Ayun. So, that is 2 na lang. Yun. Or medyo vague ba sa inyo? Vague pa? So, wag natin gamitin to example kasi nakalilito itong number 1. So, let us have the equation na itong ginamit natin sa 1. Yan. I-differentiate muna natin siya 2 beses. Okay? Ngayon, pag nag-differentiate na tayo, hindi tayo gagamit ng combination. Ang gagamitin natin is the determinant. Ngayon, tignan mo Sa y, ano yung mga kasama ni y? Si y, si cosine 3x, yan yung arbitrary constant 1 ni x, ni C1 to C2. Okay? Si y prime, negative 3 sine x, and then, ibig kong sabihin, ilalinya mo sila, ito equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Ililinya mo sila base dun sa order of differential nila para makuha mo yung kanilang determinant. Diba? Now, when we expand the determinant, alam nyo naman na yan kung paano, diba? Basket method tayo, y, cosine 3x, sine px, tapos y prime, negative 3 sine 3x, 3 cosine x. Tapos, y double prime minus 9 cosine 3x minus 9 sine 3x. Okay, magbabasket method ka dito. Mga papunta rito, yan, ito, tapos yun dito, sa labas, ganun ulit. Okay? Ngayon, ang mangyayari dyan, napakahaba. Okay? Kaya hindi ko ito, never ko siyang nirecommend. I might say, nirecommend ko parate is this one. Differentiation and combination. Kasi, yung value mo, once na nag-differentiate ka na magkakaroon ka ng value na you can do substitution pagdating dun sa ating original equation, second equation, or third equation. And then, pwede mo siyang gamitin ng algebra lang. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo siyang i-cancel by adding, multiplying, and subtracting. So, I will not recommend using this one. Kasi nakalilito. Kung sa algebra, nakalilito na yung determinants, mas nakalilito ito. Dahil umahaba ng umahaba yan habang din-differentiate. Okay? So, I will not recommend this one. Okay? Ganyan. Dito kasi, pinakita na lang niya yung sagot. Di niya pinakita yung solution. Kasi, ang solution nito is, solution is very long. Bakit ka mo? 3 beses ka magmumultiply dyan. Andito pa si A, si B. 3 beses mo i-multiply, pataas and then pababa. Okay? So, I will not recommend this one. So, for exercise number 4, you have to practice, okay? Practice exercise number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, this will be your quiz 1. When? Wednesday. Okay? Okay ba yan, class? Understood? Hello?
Saan isa-submit, sir?
Ito? Gagawin ko na lang tong quiz. Record quiz. This one, practice problems. Okay, practice, okay? Quiz number 1 para may record kayo. This one. Okay na? Nandiyan naman yan sa ating mga given. So, para may...
Nakascan po ba, sir?
Ano?
Nakascan po ba, sir?
Yung answers nyo. Katulad nung mga pinasa na nakaraan, yung nakita ko yung
Okay.
Box your final answers, ha? Okay ba yon? So, next meeting, magkakaroon tayo ng recitation. I want group recitation, ha? Magbibigay ako ng isang problem and then you will solve it on the board. Dito, isolve nyo. Or ipo-place nyo dito yung sagot nyo sa board. Dito sa ating, ipasa nyo sa akin. Ilalagay ko dito and then you will explain how you get the final answer. Okay, so hindi natin i-skip natin tong family of curves. So let's go with homogeneous differential equations. So break ko muna.